In this video we will learn about freelancing. Most of the people have basic questions about freelancing in their mind. We will try to cover all of them in this video. We will cover: what is freelancing? How does freelancing work? How much can I get paid freelancing? What are the risks of freelancing? What type of work can I do by freelancing? How do I start freelancing? And at the end I will show you some website on which you can do freelancing. Let's start. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for more upcoming videos. Freelancing means to work as an independent company rather than be employed by someone else. Freelancers are self-employed and often referred to as independent contractors. Freelancers are hired by other companies on a part-time or short-term basis, but they do not receive the same compensation as full-time employees or have the same level of commitment to any particular company. With the rise of the gig economy, people are talking about freelancing more than ever before. And that's because there are more freelancers today than there have ever been in history. A 2019 study by Upwork and Freelancers Union shows that 57 million Americans freelanced in 2019. And according to the same study, 53% of workers aged 18 to 22 are freelancing. How does freelancing work? Freelancers accept payment in return for providing some sort of service. That agreement is generally part-time or short-term. For example, if I hired a photographer to take new headshots for me, I could pay a freelancer for that session and that would be the end of it. Why are people freelancing? Freelancing provides a lot of flexibility and control to the individual. Most freelancers choose their own hours, the work that they do, the clients they work with, and may even be able to work remotely. Freelancing is also a form of entrepreneurship, which means the freelancer has total control of their earning potential. Freelancers aren't locked into a salary, and so they can earn as much as they are able to bill to their clients. How much can I get paid freelancing? According to that same 2019 study, the median freelance income is $20 to $28 per hour. Of course, with so many different freelance jobs available, that number can vary quite a bit. Transcription services may only earn $5 to $10 per hour, while software engineering roles may earn $75 or even hundreds of dollars per hour. I will teach you software engineering services in coming videos. What type of work can do by freelancing? You can do admin support jobs, design and creative jobs, writing jobs, web, mobile, and software development jobs, accounting and consulting jobs, legal jobs, data science and analytics jobs, sales and marketing job. How do I start freelancing? There are three main paths to making money as a freelancer. Working with clients directly, subcontracting, jobs websites. Another popular method for finding client work is through a freelance marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr. Links to these websites are in description. Here are the few websites which support freelancing. Freelancer.com. Fiverr. Upwork. I will teach you how to create account on these websites in coming videos, so please don't forget to subscribe Essence of Logic. Thank you.